Hi everyone, discussing another important professor's question which is quite frequently asked in your exams. And the question is why bag and mask ventilation is contraindicated in congenital diaphragmatic hernia. Now you know that this bag and mask ventilation is absolute contraindication in congenital diaphragmatic hernia. So why this is the scenario that congenital diaphragmatic hernia is an absolute contraindication of this bag and mask ventilation. So you know that this bag and mask ventilation is an important component of neonatal resuscitation. So while we give bag and mask ventilation, it is very important to rule out that the baby born does not have this congenital diaphragmatic hernia. Why is it so? Because you see here that oxygen given by bag and mask ventilation via mouth. You know that in bag and mask ventilation we put a bag and a mask. Through that we give a ventilation and this mask is put over the mouth, and with this mouth the oxygen or air which is given not only go to the lungs but also it go to the GIT, and through GIT you know that it ultimately goes to the intestine. But the main point here is that the intestine are not situated in the abdomen, they are situated in the thoracic cavity. So remember this, they are situated in the thoracic cavity in congenital diaphragmatic hernia because there is a defect in the diaphragm. So these intestine are sitting in the thoracic cavity. Now when you give this bag and mask ventilation, there is an expansion of intestine due to the air, and this expansion result in the further compression of the lungs, and it will ultimately result in the failure of neonatal resuscitation. So try to remember this, that this bag and mask ventilation is resulting in the compression of the lungs, but our ultimate aim of the neonatal resuscitation was what? We want the expansion of the lungs, we want that air should go in the lungs, baby should not be hypoxic. So this will result in the total failure of this neonatal resuscitation. So try to remember this question is quite frequently asked in your vivas whenever they give you a bag and mask. So they will ask you this question, what is the contraindication and why this is highly absolutely contraindicated in congenital diaphragmatic hernia. Thank you and thanks for watching.